Hey everyone, the Mobvoi TicWatch Atlas and Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro are two flagship smartwatches aimed at different segments, but sharing common ground in durability, fitness tracking, and long-lasting battery life. The TicWatch Atlas stands out for its rugged build and military-grade durability, while the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro offers a more refined, premium aesthetic with a focus on both fitness enthusiasts and casual users. This comparison delves into their design, features, and overall user experience to help you decide which one suits your needs better. The TicWatch Atlas emphasizes durability with its body made from 7000 series aluminum and fiberglass nylon. It is MIL STD 810H certified, ensuring it can withstand extreme conditions, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. In contrast, the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro is built with aerospace-grade titanium alloy, complemented by ceramic at the bottom and a durable, sapphire-coated glass display. Its design feels premium, especially with options like a titanium strap. While the TicWatch Atlas has a chunkier and more rugged look, the GT 5 Pro combines ruggedness with a stylish design, appealing to a broader range of users. The TicWatch Atlas features a 1.43-inch dual display, combining AMOLED and IPS technology. On the other hand, the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro comes with a high-quality 1.43-inch AMOLED display, boasting a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and 1200 nits of brightness. Both smartwatches offer vibrant displays and always-on functionality, but the GT 5 Pro's AMOLED screen is slightly more refined, with better brightness and smooth touch response. The health tracking capabilities of both watches are robust. The TicWatch Atlas offers heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, and enhanced fitness tracking via Wear OS's built-in apps. However, it lacks an ECG feature. The Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro excels in fitness and health tracking with comprehensive metrics, including SpO2, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and GPS for outdoor activities. The GT 5 Pro also offers more detailed insights into sleep and stress levels, making it a better option for health-focused users. The TicWatch Atlas runs on Wear OS 4, which brings access to a wide range of apps and customization options. However, it lacks Google Assistant, which might be a drawback for users accustomed to hands-free control. It does include safety features like fall detection and SOS mode. Meanwhile, the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro runs on Harmony OS 5.0, which is fast and user-friendly. It offers seamless integration with Huawei's ecosystem and supports third-party app installations. Though notification handling for third-party apps can be inconsistent, both watches come equipped with built-in GPS, but the GT 5 Pro offers more refined software and fluid animations. Battery life is a significant selling point for both models. The TicWatch Atlas provides up to 90 hours of battery life in Smart mode and up to 45 days in Essential mode. Its 628 mAh battery charges quickly, providing up to 2 days of usage from a 30-minute charge. The Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro boasts an impressive battery life of up to 14 days, with light usage and 9 days with regular usage, including tracking features. In real-world usage, the GT 5 Pro comfortably lasts a week, and its magnetic charger provides fast recharging times. The TicWatch Atlas is priced at $349, making it a compelling option for users seeking ruggedness, extended battery life, and essential smartwatch features. The Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro, though more expensive, offers a more premium build and a well-rounded feature set, appealing to those looking for both style and performance. Given its premium materials and additional features, the price of the GT 5 Pro can be justified for users wanting more versatility. The TicWatch Atlas is perfect for those with an active lifestyle who prioritize durability and battery life. Its rugged design and dual display technology make it highly practical for outdoor use. However, it misses out on advanced health features like ECG and Google Assistant integration. On the other hand, the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro offers a more refined experience with premium materials, an outstanding display, and comprehensive health tracking features, making it a better option for those who want style, along with substance. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this comparison. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.